just gonna start the video straight to the point. My car does have rod knock now, so that kind of blows. Hashtag blown motor. Nah, but I was just checking the coolant, and like the car's been running pretty funny, and it's been overheating soon, like lately. So I was checking the coolant, and I was gonna replace it, and then I turned on the car and I popped the hood, and I was listening closely, and you can definitely hear that there's rod knock. So I don't think I have the time, or do I care about this car enough to fix it. So I think we put it up for sale now. I mean, I'm just gonna see how much I can get, the most I can get out for it. But like, I don't know. It is a 5-speed, so that's kind of late, but it was fun. Had it since like May. But I got the new project. If you guys haven't seen on my social media, I do have a 180SX, and yes, that JDM right-hand drive life, if I can see it. Hey. So I think if I can sell this for like, I don't know, however much I get for it, I'm gonna save up and buy me a truck. That way I can trailer this, go to drift events or autocross. But we'll see what happens in the next month. Alright, it's just a short update video, and yeah, I guess wish for the best for me, I guess. If you care, if you don't, I don't care. How's your day?